Welcome back to Beautyistic, your ultimate destination for honest and insightful product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Messcomb 3-in-1 Hair Styler, a versatile tool that promises to streamline your hairstyling routine. Whether you're looking for flawless curls, smooth hair, or a quick dry, this product aims to do it all. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Messcomb Airwrap Hair Styler is designed to replace multiple devices, simplifying your routine with one sleek tool. It features advanced Coanda Technology that automatically wraps and curls your hair. This means you can achieve salon-quality curls without the learning curve typically required with traditional curling irons. The set includes 2 interchangeable 1-inch curling irons, giving you the flexibility to style your hair in different directions. Additionally, with a powerful 1400-watt motor, it dries and styles your hair in minutes, offering a fast and efficient solution for your hair care needs. It also comes equipped with intelligent heat control, ensuring you avoid heat damage while keeping your hair healthy and shiny. Now let's talk about my experience using this styler. The setup was incredibly straightforward, and the ergonomic design made it easy to grip, even during longer styling sessions. I was able to dry and style my hair quickly, and the results were pretty impressive. I tested it on both damp and dry hair, and the Messcomb Air Styler worked well for both. The curlers created soft, bouncy curls with minimal effort, and the negative ion technology really helped reduce frizz and enhance shine. I also appreciated how lightweight the device felt, which made styling a more comfortable experience. However, there were a couple of things I noticed. While the styling was quick, it didn't quite reach the level of precision you get with a high-end professional tool. The curls were nice, but not as tight or long-lasting as those from a traditional curling iron, especially on thicker hair. Additionally, the heat settings, while customizable, could have benefited from a higher maximum heat setting for those with coarser hair textures. So, let's break it down. On the positive side, the Messcomb Airwrap Hair Styler is incredibly easy to use, offers great versatility, and dries and styles your hair faster than traditional methods. It's also a great option for those looking to reduce heat damage, thanks to its intelligent heat control. The lightweight design and sleek look make it a comfortable tool to use, and it's perfect for all hair types, from straight to curly. On the flip side, if you're looking for super tight, long-lasting curls, you may want to explore higher-end products that specialize in that. The lack of a stronger heat setting can be a downside for those with thick or coarse hair who need a bit more heat to set their style. Now, let's talk about value for money. Considering it's an all-in-one solution, the Messcomb Air Styler offers decent value. It combines multiple functions into one tool, saving you space and the need for different devices. However, it's priced slightly higher than some traditional dryers or curling irons, so you'll want to consider if you're looking for versatility or targeting a specific styling need. In terms of comparisons, while the Messcomb Styler competes with more premium Airwrap products like the Dyson Airwrap, it comes at a more affordable price point. Of course, the high-end options do offer better precision and advanced features, but the Messcomb performs admirably at a fraction of the cost. When it comes to build quality, the styler feels solid, but the materials used don't feel as premium as some high-end models. It's not flimsy, but it's not built for the same level of longevity as pricier devices. I didn't personally have to reach out to customer support, but the brand does have a solid reputation for responsiveness and reliability, which is always a good sign when you're investing in a new product. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely options in a similar price range that offer single functionalities like curling or drying. But if you want an all-in-one solution, this product does a decent job for its price. In conclusion, the Messcomb 3-in-1 Hair Styler is a great option for those looking for versatility without breaking the bank. It's perfect for everyday styling, especially if you're someone who wants to save time and space with just one tool. While it might not match the precision of high-end devices, it's an excellent entry-level option that delivers decent results with minimal fuss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that others searching for a reliable Airwrap can also find this review. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to check out the link in the comments if you're interested in getting your hands on the Mescom Air Styler. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them below. Until next time, stay fabulous, and remember, keep it beautyistic.